Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the recipe of chicken rice. It can be prepared instantly and taste delicious too. Let's get started with the recipe. First of all, we will prepare the paste to marinate the chicken, for which I have taken garlic, ginger and mint leaves. So I have grinded it into the paste. Now take the fresh chicken, washed thoroughly. It's around 750 gram chicken. Now I'll add curd and the paste we had grinded before. Mix everything well so that chicken will get that flavor. Now add some salt. You can also add when chicken is cooking, but I am adding here only. So basically it's up to you when to add salt. Now let it marinate for up to 1 hour. So to prepare masala, I have taken here 3 large tomatoes sliced properly and 4 onions. Also I have taken these whole spices. You can also add black pepper, bay leaf, etc. as per your taste. Now in this vessel I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil and I am adding onions. Fry it till golden brown. Now I am adding the whole spices I have shown previously. And now I'll add sliced tomatoes. Fry everything till it starts releasing the oil. Now I'm adding the spices. I have used turmeric powder, 2 types of red chili powder. One is for color and another one is homemade one. I'm also adding the Shahi biryani masala. Now mix everything well. And now I'll add the chicken. Now mix everything well so that chicken will get coated with the masala. Now cover it and let it cook for some time. And here I have prepared this rice separately. Now check here, our chicken is cooked properly. Now start adding the rice. If you like layered biryani, then you can do layers. But here I am mixing everything with chicken, so that rice also get the flavor of chicken. Now here our chicken rice is ready. Serve it with onions and lemon. It tastes really delicious. Please let me know how did you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.